Okay, it's Thursday, the 16th of October 2025. This is going to be a really brief update because you have done very little other than go to work and sneeze most of the day. You took a dress back to New Look because you got fat arms. You spent far too much money on moisturiser in Lush. And that's really it. So I will speak to you tomorrow when you are actually going for your a run, and it will be your last run before the Great South Run on Sunday. So I'll speak to you tomorrow, Lauren.